Once upon a time, in a sunny little town, there lived a bright and curious girl named Lucy. Lucy loved toys, dolls, building blocks, puzzles, and plush animals. Her room? Well, it looked more like a mini toy store. One afternoon, Lucy saw a brand new robot toy at the mall. It had flashing lights, silly sounds, and even danced. Lucy needed it. She ran to her mom and asked,
"Please, can I have it? Please?"
Her mom smiled and said,
"Lucy, that robot sounds awesome, but toys cost money. What if, instead of just buying it, you earn it yourself?"
Lucy's eyes grew wide.
"But how?"
Mom's idea was simple.
"You have so many old toys you don't play with anymore. Why not sell some online? You could open your very own used toy store."
Lucy loved the idea. It felt like a real adventure. Tip time for kids and parents. Tip number 1, declutter together. Going through toys helps kids learn what they really love and clears space for new adventures. First, Lucy made 3 piles. 1, toys she still loved. 2, toys to donate. 3, and toys to sell. Some toys were a little dusty, some were missing tiny parts. But Lucy cleaned them up, found the missing pieces, and made them look as good as new. Her mom helped her take bright, happy pictures of the toys. They posted them online with little descriptions like, "Super soft teddy bear, ready for a new best friend." And "Puzzle Palace, only missing 1 tiny dragon piece." Remember, honesty is important. Pretty soon, people started messaging. One neighbor wanted the teddy bear for her daughter. Another family bought the puzzle for game night. Each time Lucy sold a toy, she felt a little spark of pride. And guess what? She was making real money. Money tip time. Tip number 2, know your profit. Lucy learned that selling something for $10 didn't mean she could spend $10. Sometimes there were little cost, like shipping or cleaning supplies. It's important to subtract costs to find the real money you made. That's called your profit. Lucy set a goal. She needed $30 to buy the robot toy. After selling 5 toys, she had made $45, more than enough. On a bright Saturday morning, Lucy and her mom went to the mall. Lucy proudly paid for the robot toy herself with the money she had earned. She danced around with her new robot, and her smile was even bigger than before. But something even more amazing happened. Lucy discovered she loved flipping old toys so much that she decided to keep her little used toy store open. She saved some money for new toys, gave some away to kids who needed it, and even started a little savings jar labeled Future Fun. Final tips for smart kids and parents. 1, save a little, spend a little. Teach kids to split money into saving, spending, and sharing. 2, see value, not just old stuff. Secondhand doesn't mean second best. Lucy learned that old toys can create new dreams, and that earning something yourself makes it even more special.